Hi guys, it's me Luana, and today I'm gonna talk a little bit if ProstaStream really works, and also I will give you those tips so you don't fall for scams, okay? Let's go! The ProstaStream is the world's #1 prostate health supplement, helping you to treating unwanted symptoms such as pain, frequent trips to the bathroom, difficulty emptying the bladder, difficulty urinating, and dysfunction. This all-natural product contains a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts, okay? And it also contains ingredients such as vitamin E, vitamin B6, zinc, selenium, and among others. You need to take 2 capsules a day, always at the same time. The first result starts to appear after 30 days of use. This all-natural product contains a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts. It also contains ingredients such as vitamin E, vitamin B6, zinc, selenium, copper, among others. Well, you need to take 2 capsules a day, always at the same time. And the first result starts to appear after 30 days of use. Now, pay attention here because it's so important for you don't fall for scams, okay? This product you only find on the official website. So, to help you, I will leave the link below in the description of this video so you can buy the original product and avoid buying the fake or have your personal data or credit card code, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, leave a like. And if you use this product, let me know in the comments. Here. Well, thank you so much and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!